Welcome back to Decoded, Smarter Soil, Better Gardens. Today we're diving into edible landscaping, where your garden is both beautiful and bountiful. Imagine stepping outside to harvest herbs or berries from a landscape as stunning as any ornamental garden. No matter your space, yard, patio, or balcony, edible landscaping is within reach. Let's unlock the secrets to a garden that feeds both your eyes and your table. Edible landscaping is the art of blending function and beauty in your outdoor spaces, creating gardens that are as practical as they are visually stunning. This approach involves choosing plants that are not only attractive but also edible, so your landscape can nourish both your eyes and your table. Imagine using vibrant rainbow chard as a border, its colorful stems adding a pop of brightness to your garden beds. Or planting blueberry bushes, which provide both beautiful foliage and delicious fruit, bringing color and flavor to your landscape. You can also mix basil and kale for a combination of unique textures, rich greens, and culinary possibilities right at your fingertips. Edible landscaping is more than just planting food anywhere, it's about intentional design. Place aromatic herbs like rosemary or thyme along pathways for fragrance, or grow lettuces in decorative containers on your patio for easy access and visual appeal. Dwarf fruit trees can serve as stunning focal points, offering blossoms in spring and fruit in summer and fall, all while fitting into small spaces. Edible plants change with the seasons, providing evolving displays of color, texture, and harvest, making your garden dynamic, ever-changing, and productive year-round. The ultimate goal is to create a harmonious, multi-sensory space that delights the eyes, nose, and palate, a garden that's as inviting to relax in as it is to harvest from. With edible landscaping, your garden truly becomes a feast for the senses, transforming everyday outdoor spaces into living edible works of art. Edible landscaping transforms your outdoor space by blending the beauty of ornamental plants with the practicality of growing your own food. It's a creative way to maximize every inch of your yard, turning it into a vibrant, productive oasis that's both stunning and useful. With edible landscaping, fresh homegrown food is always within reach, right outside your door. This means you'll save money, reduce food miles, and make fewer trips to the grocery store, all while enjoying the unbeatable taste of just picked produce. These gardens naturally attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, as well as helpful insects, creating a thriving, balanced ecosystem that supports your plants and the environment. Many edible plants, such as rosemary and sage, are drought-tolerant and require far less water than traditional lawns, making them a smart, eco-friendly choice for sustainable gardening. By interplanting a variety of crops and using mulch, you'll boost soil health, conserve moisture, and cut down on garden waste, making your landscape more resilient and sustainable. Edible landscaping isn't just about growing food, it's about weaving together colors, textures, and flavors to create a living tapestry that delights the senses and nourishes your family. Whether you have a large yard or just a few containers, start small, experiment with different plants, and discover the endless rewards of edible landscaping for yourself. Begin with plants that are both beautiful and easy to grow. Lettuce, kale, and chard offer color and texture for borders and beds. Edible flowers like nasturtiums add vibrant blooms and attract pollinators. Blueberries provide year-round interest and sweet fruit. Herbs like rosemary, sage, and basil bring fragrance, structure, and flavor. Tomatoes and peppers add bold color and drama. Start with a few of these and watch your edible landscape flourish. Mix edibles and ornamentals for a truly stunning landscape. Line walkways with fragrant herbs, and use ornamental kale or chard as focal points. Add dwarf fruit trees among flowers for blossoms and fruit. Let climbing beans or grapevines cover arches or trellises for vertical interest. Blending plants creates a cohesive, dynamic garden full of surprises. Every corner offers something to taste, smell, or admire. When designing your edible landscape, think in layers. Place tall plants at the back, medium ones in the middle, and low-growing varieties at the front. This not only maximizes sunlight for every plant, but also creates a visually appealing, tiered effect that draws the eye through your garden. Mix a variety of colors and textures for a garden that's as beautiful as it is productive. Imagine the deep purple of basil, the vibrant red of chard, and the fresh green of lettuce all growing together, creating a living tapestry. Repeat certain plants throughout your beds to create unity and a sense of rhythm. Mulching is key. It keeps the soil moist, suppresses weeds, and visually ties the whole garden together, giving it a neat, finished look. Incorporate pathways for easy movement and use containers to add height, flexibility, and extra growing space. Raised beds not only provide structure and definition, but also make planting, tending, and harvesting much easier. Every design choice should balance practicality with beauty, ensuring your garden is both functional and inviting. With thoughtful planning, your edible garden will be a joy to harvest and a delight to behold, season after season. Care for your edible landscape as you would any garden. Water deeply but infrequently, and harvest often to encourage more growth. Feed your soil with compost for healthy plants. Interplant strong-scented herbs to deter pests naturally. Use flowers like marigolds to protect your crops. Observe your garden, adjust as needed, and enjoy the changing seasons. The more you engage, the more rewarding your edible paradise becomes. You don't need a farm, just space, planning, and creativity. Edible landscaping turns every inch into a living pantry and a peaceful retreat. Discover new tastes and beauty every day. Like and subscribe to Decoded for more soil-smart ideas. I'm the Soil Doctor. Happy growing.